Guten Morgen. Ich heiße Reggie. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up Futurebit Moonlander 2 on Raspberry Pi 3. As you follow my cryptocurrency software setup tutorial video series, you will know that our setup of Futurebit Moonlander 2 has evolved from the very beginning at PC to right now on Raspberry Pi. This setup has a huge advantage due to its very low power consumption. So Raspberry Pi consumes average about 3 to 5 watt, and this Moonlander 2, I would say roughly the average power consumption might be about 5 watt. Very roughly, the whole device only consume about 10 watt. With this low power consumption, you get about 4 megabyte hash per second hash rate, which will give you a huge advantage. Before we get into setting up the software, there are two important things you need to know. First, you need to purchase this USB hub. If you directly plug in Futurebit Moonlander 2 into the USB port on Raspberry Pi 3, you will get 100% hardware error because the USB on Raspberry Pi 3 cannot provide enough current to supply Futurebit Moonlander 2. The second important thing you need to know is the operating system you should use. So in my case, I recommended to use Ubuntu Mate on your Raspberry Pi 3. I have tried Raspbian, but it doesn't work due to I cannot successfully install the VCP driver. As you know from my tutorial 6, if the driver cannot be successfully installed, you can't use Futurebit Moonlander 2 for mining because the host won't recognize the device. Using Ubuntu Mate on Raspberry Pi 3, you are able to get rid of the tedious VCP driver installation. Once you plug in Futurebit Moonlander 2 on this USB hub, Raspberry Pi 3 will immediately recognize, oh, you plug in Moonlander 2. It will save you a lot of time to figure out how to install VCP driver by using other operating systems on Raspberry Pi 3. We will almost follow the same procedures as we did in tutorial 6. So let's get started. First thing first, set up the micro SD card for Raspberry Pi 3 operating system. Go to Ubuntu Mate, download website. I choose to download this file, image.exe. I put the download file into downloads on my Mac, and important command here using unxe. So this command will extract the image file and delete the image.exe file. So this command will be helpful for you to burn the Ubuntu Mate into your micro SD card. After you enter this command using Etcher, select the image you just extracted and choose the SD card you just insert into your MacBook, and then click Flash. After you successfully flash the Ubuntu Mate into the SD card, insert the SD card into Raspberry Pi 3, turn on Raspberry Pi 3. Go through the Ubuntu Mate setup procedures, then you will have Ubuntu Mate operating system. After you successfully install Ubuntu Mate, go to our old friend that I introduced in tutorial 7. Two important things you need to do. First, upgrade the Ubuntu Mate system, and then install bfgminer library. Then plug in Futurebit Moonlander 2 to check if Raspberry Pi 3 recognizes the device. Type LSUSB, and you need to see this CP210X shows up here. Then go to bfgminer folder as we did in tutorial 7, edit the start Moonlander 2 shell script file. Finally, doing sudo /start moonlander2.sh. Then your Moonlander 2 will start mining. You might wonder whether you should use internet cable or just the Wi-Fi on Raspberry Pi 3. Actually, it doesn't matter. Wi-Fi speed is good enough for mining, as you can see. The important speed for mining is pin speed, which is it depends on the distance between you and the mining pool server. I hope this video will help you guys quickly get your Moonlander 2 start mining. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.